This is an instructional video to put together the 5 layered small Christmas tree. So I have the layer 1, and to get layer 1 you're going to crease all the pieces up so that they're all up, and then you're going to bring them all together down like this, so then it makes the Christmas tree. And then you're going to fold it so it's all flat like this, and the bottom pieces you're going to fold over the tabs. Okay, so that would be ready to go into layer 2. So layer 2 is the brown layer, and you're going to crease all your arrows down. So when I crease it, I put my finger right there and I kind of pinch it and go around, and I just pinch it down like this, just going all the way around, and then I crease the arrow down. Also, I'm going to fold over the tabs of the arrow, so it makes it easier to insert them into the holes. So that is what you want to do with layer 2 to prepare it. Okay, now going on to layer 3. Layer 3 is the holly leaf, and basically you're going to just crease all the holly leaves down. Here again, when I go to put them in, I fold over the tabs, so it makes it easier to insert the tabs into the 6 holes of the next layer. So those are basically before you start assembling, what you need to do on layers 1, 2, and 3. So let's start. We're going to take layer 1, which we have ready to go, and we're going to insert that into layer 2, into the center hole. Once I have that, I turn it over and I unfold the tabs. Okay. So there, I unfold those tabs a little bit, and I open it up like this. Make sure all the tabs are down through. They are. And when I open it up, then I'm going to kind of start opening up just kind of making the tree a little more full. Okay, so once I have those layers all kind of unfolded like that, and it looks more like a tree, then I'm going to take my layer and add into the next layer. So the next layer is our holly leaf layer. I'm going to put these 6 arrows into the 6 holes. And once I went through, then I'm going to unfold the tabs of the arrows so that they stay in. And so go ahead and do that all the way around. Unfolding it as you go. And then we're ready for our next layer after that, which is the white layer. Alright, so there is that. Make sure all the tabs are opened up on the arrows. Very good. Alright, so the next layer we're going to add is the white layer. we have 6 holes, and we have the 6 arrows of the brown. So the brown arrows are going to go into that. So I make sure and I line them up. I start getting the tabs, the arrow point. So I get one going, and then I just kind of work my way around, pulling through each one layer. All right. Two more here. There we go. Just working my way around. And there. Once that's it, I make sure those tabs are open. And then flip it over. And now I have 6 arrows from the holly leaves, and that's going to go into our final and 5th layer, which is our red berry leaf. So it's 6 holes from the holly, goes through the 6 holes of the berry. So once I get it through, I open up those tabs from the arrow and open the arrow. And then we'll do that all the way around. Opening up the arrow as I go. And there, once I have that done, kind of crease that down a little bit, and I have my 3D 5-layered little Christmas tree.